Well, hello guys. Good evening or good morning sa inyo lahat dyan. And at the same time, stay safe tayo palagi since meron pa rin tayong COVID sa panahon ngayon and then meron pang bagong another ano naman to no, news on the UK. Well, anyway, the good thing is kahit nasa bahay tayo with this Qubit Tech, ito maganda kasi nag-i-income tayo definitely kahit na sa panahon ng pandemya. So, guys, ito, share ko lang ito since i-share lang din sa akin ito ni Sir Arvin. Then especially shout out nga pala sa team niya at sa team ni Ma'am Lourdes. Meron kasing group chat sila na doon makikita natin yung mga updates and news in regards sa ating Qubit Tech. Well, ginawa ko lang itong video na to kasi may mga iba na nagdududa or meron silang mga doubts in regards sa scam or legit ba talaga tong Qubit Tech. Pero para sa akin, this is totally legit, no? Since within a few months, kikita ka kahit wala kang ginagawa and at the same time, mas malaki yung kita mo if you are going to work this out. So anyway, on my previous video, ando na yung tinuro na doon kung paano mag-create ng account, kung ano, magkano yung license na bibilhin natin, and at the same time, kung paano natin isi-save yung ating BTC wallet. So, yung usually na ginagamit natin dito sa Pinas is yung coins.ph. Pero there are other Bitcoin wallets na pwede nyong gamitin. So, let's start with this one. But hopefully you will be able to learn from this and also paki-click lang yung like, subscribe and paki-share niyo na rin sa ating team or sa inyong mga prospect itong video na to. At least from there they will be able to understand the process and of course the beauty of this online platform na kumikita yung pera natin. Kasi kung ilagay mo sa bangko yan, kahit na 5,000 yan, hindi yan madodoble sa loob ng isang taon. So, too good to be true, but this is it. Well, anyway, login na lang tayo ngayon sa ating sa account. As you can see, maraming um, maraming mga emails na naka register. But don't be confused, this is just my personal computer, so definitely ito ay sa aking pamilya. I just don't want to na ako lang yung kumikita. Gusto ko kahit yung mga anak ko, ginawa ko ng account para at least hindi na ako mahihirapan na yung kung manghingi sila, meron silang pera. So guys, let's log in. And since andito na yung password niya, naka-remember na yan, so wala nang problema. Kung hindi pa, kung hindi naman sa inyo yung PC, wag nyo i-remember para at least hindi ma-access yung inyong account. And of course, hindi naman niya ma-access since meron tayong Google Authenticator. Pero just to keep safe, wag na lang. Wag na nating i-remember on any other computer na maglalagin tayo as long as na hindi personal. So, type lang natin yung yung CAPTCHA. B Q O Q O. Okay. So, there we go. Uy, medyo mali ata. Try natin ulit. So, just be careful guys kung maglalagin kayo para hindi mangyari yung nangyari kanina. Well, anyway, so there we go. Kasi maraming nagtatanong, no? Why is it hindi sila nag-i-income ngayon or nag-stop yung income nila on December 31? Well, merong memo or merong notice from Cubitech, which is nasa group chat yan natin. Isinishare yan every now and then ni Sir Arvin. So thanks to you, Sir Arvin, sa pag-share ng every updates on our Cubitech team. So ito, this is a very good online investment platform. As you can see, huminto sila ng 31 of December and magre-resume sila sa January 16 of this year. So, they will definitely resume in my own opinion kasi as you can see, until now, they are processing yung withdrawal. On my other account, nag-withdraw ako after 2 days, pumapasok pa rin siya. So, we don't have to worry. And also, if you want to earn more, kung ayaw nating asahan yung ating daily income na natitrade in dito, so kung gusto nyo mas malaking kumita, then you need to work it out. Everything needs to work out if you want something much more. So dito sa inyong affiliate links, you can share it with your loved ones. Not only with them, you can also share it with your friends, also with other people na you can trust. I highly recommend na yung pagkakatiwalaan mo, yung close mo, and not with other people na syempre if there are people kasi na medyo negative thinking na parang ganito, ganyan, ganito, mahirap nang magsalita, but there are certain people like that. So, I suggest you just share this one, pero titingnan nyo kung saan ang mas marami, kung sa initial left nyo, titingnan nyo, or dito sa right. Saan natin makikita yan? Dito sa network. As you can see, ang Cubitech kasi, meron siyang binary program. So, sa binary, it means pairing or paparesan mo lang yung meron silang binigay na it's either sa left or right. So kung like for example, since ito bago pa lang, wala pang left and right ito, but definitely it will have someday. So dito halimbawa, meron siya rito sa right side. Ang gagawin natin, isa lang ang kukunin natin dito sa right side, then sa left link na lahat ang ipapasa natin sa ating mga trusted people na pwede nating i-share ito. Because, like I said, para sa akin, i-share ko lang ito dun sa mga taong close ko. Siyempre, madali mong paliwanagan, madali mong kausapin, and definitely, gusto mo rin silang kumita. Yun naman ang punto dun eh. Na matulungan sila na ma-resolve yung kanilang financial situation or problem. So guys, ganun lang no, yung pag natin, additional income lang yung binary program nitong ating Cubitech. But it's very good when it comes to trading kasi 7 days a week siya nag-i-income or tumutubo. Kumikita ka ng naglagay ka lang ng minimum of 5,000. So, kung yung 5,000 mo within the span of within 3 months time or 4, bawi mo na yan. And then, you have to complete pa yung 250 percent of earning. So, that is very advantage para sa atin. Kikita tayo nang wala tayong ginagawa. So guys, hopefully magustuhan nyo yung video na to. This is just isa lang ito sa ating video for the meantime. Yung last or previous video natin, meron tayong tutorial doon kung paano maglagay ng or magbayad ng license. At the same time, maglagay ng BTC address kung saan natin i-cash out yung ating uh, income, or I say tinubo dito sa ating Cubitech. So, like I said kanina, 250% yung itutubo ng pera mo. Including, of course, yung 5,000 mo. So, kung totalin mo yan, humigit kumulang mga 12,500 pesos. So, mostly kasi, guys, kaya ko ito ginawa kasi mostly sa lahat ng mga training is or mga tutorial sa Qubit is more on sa labas malakas eh. Puro may English lang eh. At least ito, ah, ano ta, this is our own version na lang. Check nyo na lang guys. Hope you like it. Just subscribe and click the like button para meron pa tayong maraming gagawin na video in regards dito sa update ng Cubitech. And I suggest and I highly recommend this Cubitech. Ito ano to, patok na online investment ito. Thank you very much at magandang gabi o magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.